Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again. This is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video for the month of February. For this month, we are making the Dragon's Egg Paracord pouch. This is a really fun and interesting project, as this pouch can carry pretty much anything you can fit in there. I like to use it for Monkey's Fist cores like these marbles or steel ball bearings. Took a bit of time to get the pattern down, but once I got going, it became a lot of fun actually. So I hope this tutorial makes the process a breeze for you Patreon Weavers. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. For the low price of $3 per month, you can get access to over 30 plus exclusive videos, as well as a new exclusive each and every month. Also, you'll get access to the Patreon only Discord server where we hang out and share our work within the community. If you're enjoying the content here on this channel and would like to directly support, please feel free to check out my Weavers of Eternity Patreon, and I thank you for even considering. And for all my current Patreon Weavers, old and new, thank you all so much for your continuing support. And I truly hope you're all enjoying the content there, as you are all the backbone of this channel, and would really not be what it is without you all. So thank you all so much. I'll see you all in the next video.